In an Empower document, the areas that you can change are known as editable areas. By using these areas, you can update or select content, including text, variables, and dates. If the theme view is turned on, all the editable areas are highlighted. If you don't see the highlighting, you can click this button on the View tab to turn on the theme view. The different colors you see in the theme view represent whether a change is required or optional for each editable area. The color also changes after you edit the area. Editable text areas let you add free-form text and variables. Selection groups are predefined blocks of content that you add to the document. This one is accessed using a button control. You can use calendar controls to select a date. Or you can make choices from drop-down lists, checkboxes, and radio buttons. Some Empower documents also include hidden paragraphs, which you can make visible by clicking this button on the View tab. To move through editable areas in a document, use these options on the Navigation tab or press the Tab key.